Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of cockroaches. Number 1. Peppermint oil and other mint oils. Many homeowners claim that peppermint essential oil is potent enough to keep many species of cockroaches and rodents out of their homes. If you've ever opened a bottle too close to your face, you'll understand why that's an eye-watering fragrance. One study found that the essential oil from mint plants is more than a roach repellent. It's actually toxic to these bugs. At last, to the German cockroaches and American cockroaches tested. Diluting a few drops of peppermint oil with water and spraying it on walls or on cotton balls that you place throughout your home could effectively repel roaches. You add 1 part vinegar, 2 part water for a stronger solution. Number 2. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil has one fresh fragrance that surprisingly seems to confuse or alarm cockroaches. This stuff is strong and you'll only need to mix a few drops with water and spray it around the cockroach hotspots to repel them. Research has also shown that eucalyptus essential oil is toxic to roach. That makes it a great all-natural product to use as part of your cockroach prevention system. Number 3. Lavender oil. Few scents bring peace to our room like lavender. Ironically, it has quite the opposite effect on insects. Lavender essential oil naturally repel many insects, including fleas and ants, but its effective on cockroaches are still unproven, it being unclear whether or not lavender's insect repelling properties affect cockroaches on their own. You can add it to solution with other oils to boost to fragrance. One study found that a combination of citronella, lemon, rose, lavender, and basil oils was an effective insect repellent when mixed with water. Number 4. Citronella oil. You've probably seen citronella listed as an ingredient on countless insect repellent, candles and other outdoor products. Citronella essential oils has similar insect repellent effect as lasts against mosquitoes, gnats and other flying bugs. Unfortunately, a citronella oil treatment only lasts for an hour or two. Its effective on cockroaches are not fully understood, so it's best used in combination with other essential oil for cockroaches. Number 5. Tea tree oil. In some places, tea tree oil is used as antiseptic. It's also natural insect repellent that's toxic to cockroaches. Like mint oil, tea tree oil and be mixed with water and vinegar to produce a roach repellent solution that you can spray it cracks and crevices to keep bugs away. Unfortunately, cockroach might simply be too resilient fast for any amount you can easily apply. As with several these oils, it's probably going to be most effective in combination with other oils and other preventative measures.